Hi, I thought it was about time I showed you around my garage workshop. It's roughly 12 foot by 20 foot and it's surprising what you can get into a single car garage. This is my Axminster Trade planer thicknesser. And on the bench behind it is my Jet whetstone and my bobbin sander. This is my Festool compact system currently set up as a router. And on the bench behind that is my Axminster hobby lathe. I do tend to buy most of my big items from Axminster, find they're very good. Machinery wise is excellent stuff. And sat up on the little shelf there is my Jet dust control. And of course I'm a great fan of Festool. There's my mic for running my CNC machine. And sat there is my clamp cart. I mustn't forget the workshop helper. That's Henry on the director's chair, who is not available at the moment. So it is surprising what you can actually get into a small garage. I'm just going to pan round to the bottom end of the garage now, where I keep all my bits and pieces, which I haven't found anywhere for them to live permanently yet. It is a bit cold in here today, it's only about 50 degrees. I don't know whether we're going to go out of focus now as I try and focus in on my bandsaw, which